Gamelearn is a game-based learning platform for corporate training. We develop video games with built-in simulations to develop skills. We currently have 10 SDRs and 10 MDRs, but we're growing, so that number changes pretty much every day.
We are organized by target markets according to the regions where our potential clients are located. We use Salesforce as CRM, Pardot as a marketing automation platform, and Bloobirds for our SDR.
The main challenges that we are facing, first of all, had to do a lot with order and then strategy implementation. There are many different types of tools out there which involve a lot of strategy, but you actually can't see that strategy implemented. So it helped us not only to ask ourselves the important questions, target markets, ICPs, pitches, the rest. It actually allowed us to implement that strategy into a tool that's easy to use. My SDRs love it, and so do I.
What I love about Bloobirds compared to Salesforce, for example, is that the user experience is specifically made for prospecting. I felt like part of my job was going after the SDR to make sure they fill out the right information. That's different with Bloobirds. You can tell that it's more efficient and super easy to use when it comes to collecting data, which is a super important aspect for us. There are plenty of tools for SDRs that focus on automation, but this is not enough anymore, especially if your market is limited. I want them to prospect the right people, use the right messaging, ask the right questions. My team feels assisted during the whole process. And I think they especially appreciate not having to go through admin tasks that only slows them down.
As a CMO at Gamelearn, I want more than just vanity metrics. So within Bloobirds, I can actually measure the types of pitches that they're using, the key messages, make sure that my SDRs are asking the right pain point questions. And that's something that I can measure within Bloobirds and actually give them the right feedback per SDR to make sure that they're performing at their maximum capacity.
As for the results, I highlight two things. The amount of good and quality meetings booked has increased, and the data we are able to collect now is way more strategic.
At Gamelearn, we're growing quite a lot, and something I'm always doing is hiring new SDRs. So what's really important is to make the ramp-up time faster and get our SDRs onboarded as quickly as possible. I don't have to tell them what to do, what to say, how to make the pitch. That's already been integrated within my sales playbook within Bloobirds. So the reduction time in terms of onboarding has been fabulous.
When it comes to sales engagement tools that you are going to be using from 9 to 6 every day, it's important that the users love it.
For companies looking for sales engagement solutions, I definitely recommend Bloobirds. They're first of all an excellent partner, and second of all, it's not so much about being quantitative anymore. You have to be qualitative, you have to be an expert in your market, and that's where you really make the difference, and Bloobirds allows you to do that.